Stop buying cloths that leave mess and clutter behind. Kirkland's Ultra Plush is the everyday value default. Switch for delicate polishing or flexible bulk savings. Choose by surface size, softness, absorbency, and storage. For most homes, buy the Kirkland Signature Ultra Plush Microfiber Towel. Its large, plush, durable design handles counters, windows, dusty trim, screens, and sudden spills. The 36-count bundle also delivers strong, everyday value when cloths constantly enter your cleaning rotation. But that generous supply needs real storage, and bright yellow won't suit everyone. Skip it if you only need several cloths or mostly clean tiny details. For soft detail cleaning, choose the MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Its thick, cushioned feel suits phone screens, glasses, jewelry, and other small polishing jobs where control matters more than coverage. The compact 12by11 format also stores easily. The trade-off is limited reach and liquid pickup, while each cloth costs a little more. Skip it for broad surfaces, bigger spills, or the lowest cost per cloth. For practical bulk value, get the Fixsmith Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. It combines low per cloth cost, strong liquid pickup, and sturdy hems, with pack options that suit smaller or much larger supplies. That makes it useful for kitchen messes, keyboards, and frequent household wiping without forcing one jumbo bundle. However, it's thinner and less plush than the alternatives. Skip it if softness or maximum coverage matters more than budget flexibility. Quick split. Kirkland covers everyday whole home cleaning. MagicFiber handles small, delicate polishing. Fixsmith gives budget-minded households absorbency and flexible pack sizes. Before buying, check your widest surfaces, typical spill size, preferred softness, laundry routine, and available shelf space. Start with Kirkland if you want one dependable household supply. Switch to MagicFiber for delicate details, or Fixsmith when absorbency and flexible bulk value matter more than plushness. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.